Welcome to Happy Learning. Now we will see learning styles. What is learning style? Learning style refers to a range of competing and constructed theory that aim to account for difference in individuals' learning. Described as a group of characteristics, attitudes and behavior that define our way of learning. Different styles influence the form students learn, how teachers teach, and the interaction between them proves the learning style. Now we will see a learning style of KOLB. KOLB Model. Today we will check out with KOLB's model theory. It's based on experimental learning, which applies two related approaches with grasping experiences, concrete experience and abstract conceptualization. The two approaches is forwarded through reflective observation and active experimentation. This is the cycle we want to know about in experimental learning. Concrete experiments goes with reflective observation, relates with abstract conceptualization, and gives active experimentation. It's a process. The cycle goes and goes. With this cycle, KOLB's 4 learning styles has been promoted. The learning style is by doing and watching. Doing is related with active experimentation and watching with reflective observation. Feeling is related with the concrete experience and thinking is related with abstract conceptualization. With this 4 process, the state occurs, that is accommodator, diverger, converger and assimilator. Learning styles descriptions now we will go through with. Accommodator. Accommodator is the intuition rather than logic, strong in hand-on and practical doing, relies on others for information, then carry out their own analysis. In Converger, you can see you can solve problems and will use their learning to find solutions to practical issues, less concerned with people and personal aspects, strong in application of the theory. And in Diverger, able to look at things from different perspectives, perform better in situations that requires ideas generalization or generation or through brainstorming, have broader cultural interest and like to gather information, strong imaginative ability, interest in people. And lastly, assimilator. Ideas and concepts are more important than people. Attracted to logical sound theories, then approaches based on practical value. Strong in inductive reasoning and creation of theory. So learning according to him, that is KOLB, is a process whereby knowledge is created through the transformation of experiences. So working out with the educational implications as teachers, KOLB's theory, learning stages and cycles would be used by teachers to critically evaluate the learning provision typically available to students and to develop more appropriate learning opportunities. Educators should ensure that activities are designed and carried out in ways that offer each learner the chance of encourage in the manner that suits them best. Also, individuals can be helped to learn more effectively by the identification of their lesser preferred learning style and the strengthening of these through the application of the experiential learning cycle. Ideally, activities and materials should be developed in a way that draw on abilities from each stage of the experimental learning cycle and take the students through the whole process in sequence. So please work out with the KOLB theory relating with the cycle and with the styles. Then you can be the best promoter of giving lessons for the students. Thank you.